Learn English. Hello everyone. Welcome to the English 8K Vocabulary School. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Friday, January 17th. Show number 17. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. The first one is a food you can eat. Number 2 is when you're going in one direction and then you stop and you go the other direction. Please listen and write this in your notebook. The tomato is red. The tomato is red. Tomato. It is a delicious food that people eat. Now let's make a flashcard for tomato. 1 tomato and the plural 2 tomatoes, you have to write ES. Please write tomato up here in the top left corner. Tomato. The plural plus ES, 2 tomatoes. Down in this corner, FOO1. This means food, level 1. Over here, the number 48 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. May, toe, tomato. What about you? Do you like tomatoes? Let me know in the comments. Now we'll do word number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. We will turn back now. We will turn back now. Turn back. You will stop moving in one direction and go back in the opposite direction. We also say to turn around. Now let's make a flashcard for turn back. Please write the basic form in the top left corner. To turn back. Down here in the bottom left corner, VID, 1. This means verb idiom, level 1. Over here, the number 73 out of 76. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Turn back. Game over. It's time to go. Today we learned 1. Tomato. Very nice. They are red and delicious. And number 2, when you're walking in one direction and then you get tired, you say, let's turn back. Correct. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. The first one is a place where you can buy a ticket and maybe win a lot of money. Number 2 is a body part, the center of your body around the outside. And the last one is when you remove small hair from your skin. Many men do this every morning. Okay, it is time to go. My name is Vinny from Canada. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.